Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you 3 prompts to save you money. You can use these prompts of any of artificial intelligence agents you use. In this case, we're going to use Claude, and they will serve as a guide for you to know how to ask your artificial intelligence to help you manage either your money, your income, or if you have a business, to help you make decisions in those games. I'm going to lay out examples here so you can see them. In this case, I have this prompt that acts as a personal financial advisor. For this one, you're going to specify your list of monthly subscriptions, your most common expenses, some free alternatives well, to some kinds of subscription you have, a plan, basically, your expenses, right? You specify your expenses and tell it how much money you will save in a year if you apply the change you are going to give me. So, well, you are going to send this prompt and it will start asking your question about the expenses. Here you will see it will start to give you more or less of the expenses, and it will ask you for information that you have to help your and be more specific with it. Let's go with the second prompt. Right here we have this one. In this case, you have a business. Well, it says, I want to reduce the cost of my service. Here you can put your service, right? So, or you can, or your car insurance. You can act as an expert in negotiation and customer retention. Well, it's going to help you research offers, to look at similar services in the market to help you save either on your subscription or on the service you are contracting, and maybe find a better one. So this one is going to help you a lot in that case. Now we are going to go with the third prompt that acts, and we have as I also told you, I can assign it a roles based on your needs. In this case, an example is a specialized professional chef, and it says that I can help you make the most of optimized budgets. You are going to give it a list of ingredients that you normally use, and it says that you can design a meal menu with what you have at home, and that's going to help you save a lot of with you already have, and don't make extra purchases.